This is the OMR, also known as the Rajiv Gandhi IT Expressway in southern Chennai. The sheer amount of traffic along this road contributes to a significant number of the road accidents in Chennai every year. Chennai was ranked the city with the highest number of road accidents in India by the National Crime Records Bureau. Hundreds of people die every year in accidents across the city. Though the traffic police have been making a concerted effort to improve the situation in the past few years. Recently, they announced that they will be enforcing a new seatbelt rule from the 9th of December. If you're caught driving without a seatbelt, you will be fined 100 rupees for the first violation and 300 rupees every time after that. 300 rupees is less than $6, but it is a